So here we have this Dowinx cute gaming chair with cat ears. Now in this video, I'm going to unbox it, show you how to put it together, and then I'll give you a quick review. And here's everything that came with it. It all came packaged really nicely. There's a bunch of cushion parts, the armrests, the instruction manual, and then this box here has a bunch of the smaller parts. Anyway, there's quite a few pieces here, so let's go ahead and put it together, and I'm going to use a timer to see how long it takes. First, we're going to assemble the base. This is super easy. We're just going to twist all 5 of these leg pieces into the star piece. They lock right in, no fasteners required. And then we're going to flip it over and pop in the casters. Flip it over once more, drop in the gas strut, and then put on the cover. Next, we're going to get the seat cushion and take out these 4 screws. Then line up this piece with the 2 levers, make sure both pieces are pointing forward, and put those 4 screws back in. Also, you can see I'm using a screw gun here, but it does come with an Allen wrench, and I do go back and use it to tighten all the screws up. Then take the other 4 screws out that are on the front side, then put these 2 guide pieces on and screw the screws back in. Then you can slide in the pre-assembled footrest and screw in the screw that locks it in. Then we can pick up the seat, put it on top of the base, and start assembling the rest of the chair. Slide in the steel bracket with the 3 holes on the bottom, also make sure it's angled outwards. Then you can put those 3 screws in and grab the back cushion of the chair. Lift up the Velcro flap, line up the 4 holes, and then screw it on. Now we can attach the armrests. These just take 2 screws each, and then there's these little plastic covers you can use to hide the holes. Also, make sure you tighten the screws down really well so they don't come undone. Then we can attach the 2 pillows, and the instructions aren't very clear on how to do this, but basically you're going to want to pass the 2 bottom straps through the gap at the bottom, then put the upper straps through these 2 holes at the top, and then clip the pillow through the holes at the top as well. Then you can really easily clip on these ears, and same thing with the little cat pillow. Alright, and there we go, it's all put together. I really like the way this came out, it looks really nice. It wasn't too difficult to assemble, the instructions are pretty detailed, and it also took just under half an hour. It has a nice thick cushion on the bottom, it's about 3 inches thick. All the light blue on the chair is a faux leather, nice and soft, and then the white is a plush fabric. It has a nice sturdy aluminum base, decent casters on it. It has a footrest that's stored at the bottom here. You can pull it out and then fold it out. There's also this adjustable lumbar support pillow, and then this sort of pillow headrest. It is a little bit loose, but it works. It has this cute cat pillow clipped to the side, and then 2 cat ears clipped to the top with little bells on them. Also, the back of the chair has this nice little pocket. First impressions, it's pretty comfortable. It has these 2 levers on the side. This one's to make it go up and down. Then this one is to release the backrest so you can lean backwards. It doesn't lean back super far, but it's still nice and comfortable, and I like how the armrests move back with it. Anyway, one more thing to point out, this lumbar support actually has some sort of vibrator in it, so if I plug it in here, it'll start vibrating, and I guess give you a very light massage. So yeah, nice sturdy gaming chair, looks really nice, and it's also pretty comfortable.